friends. So it's been long time since I uploaded my last video. So I have a new video for you, some knowledgeable video, which tells I just bought a 315 IOF 315 rifle 2 days back, 94 model. I bought a old model because old model used to be good in quality, and the operational convenience was that, like bolt action and magazine, everything was so smooth, used to be very smooth in old models. So these days the new models are coming, but some issues with them, like many people who bought the new rifles, new IUF rifles, they are not happy with that. That's why I chose to bought the old model, and I got 94 model after a lot of search. So today I'll tell you about the bolt action of my rifle, this old model IUF 315. So I'll show you how how smooth it bolt moves, how smooth it is. Yeah. So you can keep 5 rounds in the magazine, not more than that. That is not recommended. Always be careful with the rifles. They are very dangerous, and never use it casually. See, I load the magazine. Now the magazine is loaded. Now this is the safety. I'll remove the safety, and I'll tell you that I'll load it. See, one round, first round is loaded. See, this is the last one. See how smooth it is, So you find it that how smooth it is. In the new IUF rifles, you will see many issues, like the bolt got stuck, that the second round does not come in. So that's why I choose to buy this IUF 315-94 model. So friends, this is the just for your knowledge. So if you like this video, please share, comment and subscribe, and please ring the bell. Thank you.